Welcome back to the start of the second marking period, or welcome those who are just beginning cyber this marking period with me. So if you come to Schoology to our to-do folder this week, health for this week, we have a discussion post about what is bullying. So if you click here, how would you define bullying? What are some examples of different ways that people bully one another? So you'll go ahead and write your comment there. That'll be your first grade for the week. Then if you look at the introduction to bullying presentation, it doesn't open. You can click on the words, it should open up. So bullying, take a look at the essential questions of what is bullying, what are the different ways that people bully each other, and how can you tell the difference between bullying and messing around. So notice those were our essential questions, so you'll be able to go back and do that. So what actually is bullying? What are the different types of bullying? Talking about cyberbullying, the warning signs of being bullied, and then just some resources. So if you take and read through that PowerPoint presentation. And then finally, if we click back on the health folder for this week, the different types of bullying assessment. So if you click here, it should then, for you, be able to say start attempt. So you go ahead, answer the question. Those are the health assignments for this week. If you were to come back to this week and phys ed, the personal choice is, as always, so Tabata being a new thing, if you need some instructions on that, there is an instructional video here.